Summertime is smoothie time. Let's make one today using a fruit that you might not think of using in a smoothie. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and create delicious and healthy recipes. Today we're going to be making a hydrating cantaloupe smoothie. The star of our recipe today is the cantaloupe. You want to take 1/2 of a cantaloupe, chop it up, and then add it to your blender, which is about 3 cups. And cantaloupe has a high water content, so it helps you stay hydrated. It's also really good for heart health because when you're hydrated, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. And cantaloupe is high in vitamin C and gut-friendly fiber. As a little side note, I just read that cantaloupe juice is really good for rashes, acne, and dark spots. You just take the cantaloupe juice, gently rub it into the area on your skin, and then leave it for about 5 minutes, and then gently rinse it off. Next, let's add 3/4 cup of your favorite unsweetened vanilla nut milk. I'm using a mixture of almond and coconut. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of raw local honey. Local honey is really important because if you suffer from seasonal allergies, it can really help if you have just a little bit of the raw local honey every single day through immunotherapy. So what is that? It's when you ingest just a little bit of what you're allergic to every single day, your body becomes less and less sensitive to it. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root, which is considered one of the best herbs for helping your digestion. But it also can help with allergies because of its antihistamine properties. 1 tablespoon of either coconut oil or MCT oil, both of which feed your brain cells. They also can help your gut health, which is directly linked to cognitive function. And they also can help eliminate bacteria in your gut that can cause issues like candida. The last ingredient I'm going to add is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our clean sourced collagen powder, which is so good for your digestion, for your joints, hair, skin, nails, and teeth. Blend up all of your ingredients until smooth. For a thinner consistency, just add in some more milk. And for a thicker consistency, add in a few ice cubes. Now we're ready to give this cantaloupe smoothie a try. I can't wait. This is amazing. I love the cantaloupe and the ginger together. It's such a bright flavor. It's so good. This is so unexpectedly good. So you can't skip out on the ginger. That's a really important part. And then also, I don't know if you're like me, but I love it when my cantaloupe is nice and crispy. When it starts to get really soft, I don't like to eat it. So this is such a great way to use it up so it doesn't go to waste. I hope you give this one a try. It's so worth your time. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a happy and healthy summer. I'll see you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.